Hello and welcome to this short summary session, introduction to double entry bookkeeping, but also a summary of the AAT Level 2 Foundation course in general. Okay, so potentially for those of you that might be interested in studying the Foundation Level 2 course. My name's Emma and I will take you through this sample session. So, the foundation course as a whole then for AAT, there are two modules linked together, our bookkeeping transactions and bookkeeping controls, and they cover double entry bookkeeping and also our sales and purchases ledger, so all our invoices, credit notes and other documentation that we need to process that we then put into our double entry bookkeeping system. It also looks at basic costing, okay, so a little bit of management accounting and how we start to cost things. And then there's also a computerized accounting module where we look at software package that is your double entry bookkeeping but on the computer, so the likes of Sage for example. But ideally we need our manual double entry bookkeeping knowledge to know whether our information on Sage is correct or not. Okay, so thinking of or looking at double entry bookkeeping specifically then, as we mentioned in the beginning, so this is the underpinning knowledge that is required by all bookkeepers and accountants. Okay, you really need to know your double entry bookkeeping. It is based on the dual effect principle, okay, of debits equals credits. Okay? Every transaction must have two sides, one debit entry and one credit entry. It follows the principle as one side increases, so the other side decreases. And then all our transactions are posted to what we call T accounts in the general ledger. Okay, they're called T accounts because they are literally shaped like a capital letter T. Every transaction will belong to one of these 5 categories. Okay, income, expenditure, asset, liability or capital. Every transaction will be posted to one of these categories. The 5 categories then form the basis of our 2 main financial statements. Okay, so we've got our statement of profit or loss or our statement of financial position. The statement of profit or loss is built on the premise of income minus expenditure equals profit. But we could also experience a loss if we have spent more money than we have received. So I have just added that in there in brackets. And then our statement of financial position is based on the formula of assets minus liabilities equals capital. This is also known, this sum and calculation is also known as the accounting equation. Okay. And then last but not least then, so how do we remember which side everything belongs to? So we've got this very useful acronym known as DEADCLIC. Okay, and you can see how that is then made up. So we've got our debits, our expenses and assets and drawings, and then our credit entries include our liabilities, income and capital. Have this on you at all times while you are learning. Okay, it's absolutely fine, it's not cheating, this is how we learn. And then you will soon find the more practice that you do, the fewer times you will be required to look at this layout and format. Okay, so very brief, quick introduction there to the double entry bookkeeping and what could be included on this course. So thank you very much for watching and joining me. My name's Emma and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.